Good afternoon, Bert. Nice to meet you and very happy that you're willing to do a workshop at our conference in Madrid. Could you please introduce yourself?
Hi, Luc. Thank you. Thank you for having me. So I am Bert Burkels. I provide group business continuity management services to Addiko Bank. Addiko Bank has BCM outsourced to my employer in Luxembourg, which is called AI Lake. AI Lake is the owner of Addiko Bank. And so the services that they provide to the bank is business continuity management, crisis management, and outsourcing management. I am certified in both BCM and crisis management and have about 10 years experience in both.
Okay, great. Experienced guy is always nice to have at your conference. Would you please tell us what we can expect from your workshop? What will it be about?
I want to show you my current quick reference card for crisis meetings. With this workshop, I want to share my experience in crisis management and how to structure those meetings. I would like to have an open discussion with the attendees on what should be on the quick reference card and how we can improve it.
Okay, and what will our participants, what will our SIP members take away from your workshop? What will they learn?
Well, as you know, everyone learns in a different way. So it's not for me to say what attendees will take away from the workshop. However, my hope is that they will have the feeling that they have participated in one of the most dynamic and interesting workshops of the conference, of course, and that they will have learned something that can be used immediately and that they will get compliments from their CMT members on the huge improvement of the crisis meetings.
Okay, I'm sure. What would our attendees miss if they're not following your workshop, if they're not joining you in your workshop?
Well, Luc, they will for sure miss the most fun workshop of the conference.
Okay.
No, but in all seriousness, everywhere where I showed this quick reference card, I got nothing but positive feedback on its usefulness. So I will do my best to make this an interactive and as fun as possible of a workshop. And of course, I expect nothing less of the attendees. So brace yourselves when you want to join. Just because crisis management is serious business, it doesn't mean a workshop on it has to be too.
Bert, thank you very much. We're looking forward to having you, and I'm sure our participants will massively go for your workshop. Thanks very much.
Thank you, Luc. I'm looking forward to seeing you all in Madrid.